starting the engine. Okay, that's loud. Shutting down. That's not good sounding at all down there. I mean, it does sound good. It's nice and loud, but it also sounds like something's coming apart. Not okay. Let's see what's under the hood here. Ooh, shiny. K&N intake. Yeah, that's a 5.3. It's got some headers. It's got some MSD components on it. Wonder why she's dying. Well, it's raining. I'm gonna nose this thing into the shop real quick and get us out of the rain. We'll go from there. Okay, first things first. Let's see if this beast has any oil in it. And we do have some oil in there. Yeah, it's a full oil level. I don't see any metal flakes in it. That doesn't mean they're not there. It's just I don't see it. Okay. Put that back. All right, one more restart here. Yeah. Guys, she's toast. See that thing hopping around? Yeah, she's junk. This engine has suffered an internal catastrophic failure. Hang on a minute. Gross. Okay, as I was saying, this engine has suffered an internal catastrophic failure. She's dead inside. Something happened. All right, guys. That is all that I can do for now. That's diagnostic complete. That's as far as I can go. I was gonna go down below and pop the little inspection panel off of the bell housing on the transmission. However, I don't think that that's exactly necessary. There it is. See it right there? Yeah, I don't think that's necessary because it's in the front of the engine, not the back of the engine, and it's internal. So she's dead. No further diagnostic required at this current point in time until I have authorization to pull this engine out, get it on a stand, and tear her down, see what's going on inside. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thank you guys for watching this short video. Hope you enjoyed the short video. What do you think about this motor inside of here? Is it dead? Is it gonna live? Does it need replaced? Does it need to be thrown in the garbage? What should we do? Let me know in the comment section down below. So again, as always, thank you guys for watching. Most importantly, have yourselves a fantastic day. See you guys later in high performance Silverado, in a video, in a transmission.